In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see other connected devices in Discord. If you've ever wondered whether your Discord account is logged in on another computer, phone, or tablet, or you just want to check for security reasons, this quick setting can give you clarity in seconds. I'll walk you through everything step by step so you can find it easily. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy Discord tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open Discord on your computer. You can use the desktop app or the web version in your browser. Log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're inside Discord, look down at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile picture, your username, and a small gear icon. That gear icon is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on the User Settings button. This will open your main account settings panel, where you can manage everything related to your profile, privacy, security, and connected features. Once you're inside the settings menu, look at the left-hand sidebar. Scroll down if necessary until you find the section labeled Devices. When you see Devices, click on it. As soon as you click on Devices, Discord will show you a list of devices that are currently logged into your account or have recently accessed it. This is where you can see other connected devices, including details like the type of device and sometimes the location or last active information. This is extremely useful if you want to confirm that only your personal devices have access to your account. If you notice a device that you don't recognize, this could mean that your account is logged in somewhere you didn't intend. In that case, you should immediately change your password and enable two-factor authentication for extra security. To do that, you can go back into the settings menu, click on My Account, and update your password. Then enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of protection. Regularly checking your connected devices is a smart habit, especially if you log into Discord on shared computers, school devices, or public systems. It only takes a few seconds to review, and it can help you avoid unauthorized access. So just to quickly recap, open Discord, click the User Settings gear icon in the bottom left corner, go to Devices in the left sidebar, and review the list of connected devices on your account. That's all there is to it. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy Discord tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.